Greetings, folks. Welcome again to How to Earn Income Online. One mission, one goal. Today I'm talking about how to use Team Build Machine, TBM, which is a paid-to-click site. And it's really quite simple. It operates like several of the other pay-to-click sites, Faucet Wave and Ads by UAP. And I'm here in my dashboard right now. And what you'll do is, what I always do is I start off with the video ads because they pay more. You'll get 10 cents for viewing the ad for 30 seconds. You just click on the link, click play, and you'll have to wait until the ad counts down from 30 seconds. Now, one thing about all of these sites I forgot to mention in my other videos is if you click off of the screen, the timer will stop. You see, I clicked on my other screen and the timer stops. So what you'll have to do is, since you're watching the video, you have to click play again and their timer will resume. And once it resumes, it will tell you to thank you. It will thank you for viewing and you'll be credited with watching the video. See, thanks for watching. Now from there, if there were more videos, I would hit the go back button, but there aren't. There's just one. I just did it to show you. The next step is to go view advertisements. And here, what you'll have to do is to view the ads, you have to click where it says unlock the paid ads below, and you'll view this first ad. If I'm not mistaken, there's no credit for this, but this is to unlock the ads. And make sure that you're a human being. And the countdown timer, once it gets to 0, it's going to ask you to click on the upside down character or image. It says picture. You know what I meant. And in this case, it's donkey. And you get the thanks for watching. And now the ads are unlocked. Now with Team Build Machine, this pay-to-click site is different from other pay-to-click sites. The owner of the site, Eleanor Murphy, she's my online mentor. She designed the site to give you instructions on how to actually make money online and build a team. Now you'll see all of these are referral rotator ads, is how she lists them. But each one has instructions on what to do and how to earn money. For example, let us build your income. This one links to her earning train. If you click here, you're going to get a link to her Facebook page that's going to tell you, you'll have to click join. I'm already a member, as you see. And here, it gives you all information that you need to reach $10 a day. And all of this is without investment. And that's what this site is all about. Now, as you see, the timer stopped when I went to the other page and it restarted. And we'll click on the upside down image. And now the next one is for the 100 referrals challenge, of which I'm a member. And here it shows the capture page. If you want to know what a capture page is, please mention in the comments and I will make a video on that. But this is to get people who are interested in wanting to know how to actually get referrals. And there's a system that we use here. Her team is Team Build Machine, and she's one team, one goal. And this is used to capture people, and we give them the information from various emails and other materials. Now I'm just going to click on the upside down image, as you see, and I'll show you one more. This is her big rotator. This allows you to place any link, affiliate marketing ad that you have on the rotator, and as you see, you'll get 1,000 hits guaranteed, and just for $1. That's a very good deal. And when you do it, you have to place it through the support. But when you click the link, this is a rotator. So this is someone's ad. And since it's a rotator, if I were to reload the page, oh, it didn't do it. I thought it was, well, let me do it up here. No cuts, no edits. We're going through. Okay, so the ad is there, and you get to see the link that's on the rotator. Ta-da! I'll just click on the upside down image. Thanks for watching, and give you one more. She shows how to earn your first $100 online, but it's actually another lead capture page. This is how you actually build your referral list and build your email list by using a lead capture page with simple information, and just request their name and email. Sometimes you can give away something free to entice a person to submit their information, but this should be enough for most people to want to learn how to make their first $100 online. As you see, the countdown timer has long stopped. As I continue to ramble on, I'll click on the upside down character. And there you have it. That is how you use Team Build Machine. But the majority of the links here are to get you interested and teach you how to get your referrals, build your email list, build your own team. That's what is done here at Team Build Machine, as well as on my site, which is How to Earn Income Online, One Mission, One Goal. I've followed in her footsteps and decided to form my own team. If you want information about that, a link will be in the description. Well, I do thank you very much for your time. Hopefully I didn't put you to sleep. And if you like the information and want to see more, please leave a comment below. And please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much, and much success to all.